Have you ever wondered how products you use daily maintain their high standards? From the smartphone in your hand to the car you drive, quality control plays a crucial role. Behind the scenes, quality control inspectors work tirelessly to ensure every product meets stringent standards. This career path offers a unique blend of technical expertise and meticulous attention to detail. Imagine a world without quality control. Products would be inconsistent, unreliable, and potentially dangerous. Quality control inspectors are the unsung heroes who prevent this. They are the guardians of quality, ensuring that products meet safety regulations and customer expectations. The impact of a quality control inspector's work extends far beyond the factory floor. And by upholding rigorous standards, these professionals contribute to a world where we can trust the products we use. Quality control inspectors are responsible for inspecting and testing products at various stages of production. Their duties involve understanding product specifications, developing testing procedures, and using specialized tools to identify defects. They analyze data, document findings, and play a key role in suggesting improvements to the production process. Analytical thinking and problem solving abilities are crucial for identifying the root cause of defects. Attention to detail is paramount, as even minor flaws can have significant consequences. Strong communication skills are essential for effectively communicating findings to production teams and suggesting improvements. Technical proficiency is another vital aspect of this role. Inspectors need to be comfortable using various measuring instruments, testing equipment, and software for data analysis. Continuous learning and adaptability are key to success in this ever evolving field. Quality control inspectors are integral members of a larger team. They collaborate closely with production managers and other departments to maintain quality standards. Effective communication and teamwork are crucial for resolving issues promptly and ensuring smooth production processes. The QC team acts as a cohesive unit, working towards the common goal of delivering flawless products. Meeting tight deadlines while maintaining high standards can be demanding. Identifying and addressing intermittent defects can be complex and require meticulous investigation. Despite the challenges, the role offers a sense of accomplishment. Knowing that your work directly contributes to delivering high quality, safe, and reliable products is immensely rewarding. Every successful inspection is a testament to the QC inspector's dedication and expertise. The field of quality control offers competitive salaries and benefits packages. The median salary for quality control inspectors can vary depending on experience, location, and industry. However, it generally provides a comfortable living and reflects the importance of the role in today's competitive market. As companies prioritize quality, skilled QC professionals are in high demand. Beyond the salary, many companies offer attractive benefits packages to attract and retain talent. These may include health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and opportunities for professional development. Some companies also provide tuition assistance for those pursuing further education in quality management or related fields. The stability and growth potential of the field make it an attractive career choice. This predictability can contribute to a better work life balance, allowing individuals to pursue personal interests and spend time with family and friends. The field of quality control offers numerous opportunities for career advancement. With experience and further education, quality control inspectors can progress to senior roles such as quality assurance specialists, quality engineers, or quality managers. These positions come with increased responsibilities, leadership opportunities, and higher earning potential. For those seeking to specialize, certifications like Certified Quality Inspector (CQI) or Certified Quality Engineer (CQE) can enhance career prospects. These credentials demonstrate expertise and commitment to the field, making individuals more competitive in the job market. The skills and knowledge acquired as a quality control inspector are transferable to various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, technology, and construction. This versatility opens doors to diverse career paths, allowing professionals to explore different sectors while leveraging their expertise in quality management. The role of a quality control inspector is essential in today's world of manufacturing and production. It's a career path that demands precision, analytical thinking, and a passion for delivering excellence. With its competitive salaries, job security, and opportunities for growth, becoming a quality control inspector offers a rewarding and fulfilling career. If you have a keen eye for detail, a commitment to quality, and a desire to make a tangible impact, this could be the perfect profession for you.